Hello. Yeah, the locals are friendly. Oh, mind. Hello, folks. You find me in Perthshire today. I'm heading up into a couple of nice hills. Hopefully, it makes a good video. I've stopped outside of the Strathallan School. It's a prep school of some description, private school. I think you need to be pretty wealthy to send your kids there. Anyway, the purpose of this video is not to show you Strathallan, but let's take you up some of the hills. So let's get going. We're in a little place called Forgandenny. Nice little village in Perthshire. Now, we're not going too far along the road here before we start to climb the hills. And here we are here. So that's where we're going up there, Path of Condy and then to Glenfarg. Suitable for long vehicles? Well, I hope so. Right, just going to make a slight adjustment to my microphone. Back in a sec. Microphone adjusted, let's go. So I should get 2 videos out of this one. So the first video will be from Forgandenny to Glenfarg. A nice little switchback as well, en route. And then the second video should be from Glenfarg back to Forgandenny, but by a different route. There's a lot of wind around today, so hopefully this turns out okay, or it'll be one for the cutting floor. Going through a bit of a wooded area just now, and we'll soon come out of that and go across the hills. It's taken me just over an hour to get from Dundee to the starting location. That included a quick stop for top up the fuel. So we're southwest of Perth, and I'll stick a wee map up to show you what we're doing. Yeah. No, this is not the one that we're going to. See, this is the one we'll come back down again. We're going to Condy. There's a house buried in the back of those trees up there. Oh, it's cracking. Wouldn't like to live here though. And there we are, there's that house I pointed out to you. Very nice it is too, and there we are, we're opening up now, we're coming up onto the hillside. The NC's had a bit of work done on it, done a bit of TLC. The chain had come to end of life, it was stretching an awful lot, so I replaced it with a chain and sprocket set. Stick a picture of that up on the screen right now. About 100 quid for that. Well, I had the wheel off, the rear wheel off. I noticed the brake pads, although I still had plenty of life in them, I probably could have got to certainly the end of the year and probably the start of next year. I decided just to do them. Simply because, well, the wheel was off. And that's another little job that I don't have to do in the winter months. And while I was at it, I decided to change the front, and once again the front were in not bad condition. So I'll stick a picture of the disc pads that I replaced. They're centered pads, which are different to what I normally get. Oh, it's a mess. These ones apparently have a bit of metal throughout them to increase their life, but have a bit of a detrimental effect apparently on the discs in terms of it wears a bit quicker. The upside of all that, and the brakes work really, really well. A big improvement on efficiency, I would say. All these high hedges and edges, let's see, like that, the van coming round the corner, looking posty. You don't know they're coming, that's why I'm just toddling around. It'd be the easiest thing in the world just to open the throttle up and have a bit of fun, but it's just far too dangerous. And another one appears out of the hedge. Like a blink in the high street. And now, as we're climbing, the views open up and it's absolutely stunning. Just like to say thanks to all those who watch my video, all those who support the videos, who comment, like and subscribe. Much appreciated. It's worth noting that YouTube seems to be up to its games again in terms of hiding comments. Now, both from comments that I post and from people who post on my channel. There's been once or twice I've seen posts and when you click on them they're not there, so goodness knows what's going on there. And I know that I commented on Peter Lane's Explorer and he didn't reply, and the reason he didn't reply was it was hidden. No idea what's going on, no idea why they're doing it. Must be on the naughty step, but I have watched videos of other YouTubers who are complaining about such things, as well as actually losing subscribers. I seem to have plateaued at the moment, but that's absolutely fine. I think we're going to go left here. Now, yeah. Right, this is a cracking road. I brought my big VFR up here not long after I got it. I think there might be a video of it somewhere. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that a lovely corner? It's a steep one, I'll tell you. Steep and tight. Now, the road to the right is also a terrific little road, but that's not the route I'm going to go today. So that takes you to Perthshire and Stronica, wherever that is. But that's also an equally beautiful road. But our destination today is Glenfarg. Well, I hope the camera's picking this up, because down here on the left hand side it's a beautiful little valley with a bit of a stream running through it. By the time you watch this video, I'll have returned from my European trip, and this is being filmed a week before so the Tuesday, and a week on Wednesday I head out. So I've been keeping a close eye on the weather across Europe, mainland Europe, and it's been pretty bad. They've been getting lots of rain like us, lots of heavy rain, lots of storms. They've actually been getting a lot of thunderstorms, and it's been blinking cold. So I think the waterproofs are going to be put to good use during my trip. So I'll stick a little thing up on the screen to say whether that was the case or not. Fingers crossed it's not. This is being recorded on the DJI Action 4. Pretty impressed with it. It's working very well. When I loaned Michael's Greywell's Action 4 I was a bit concerned about the battery life, but so far it's performing the way that the Action 3 does, so you're getting the best part of a couple of hours of video between battery changes. You can maybe see some of these windmills. There's one there and there's one over there. Kind of indicates the strength of the wind. Look at this monster. Thank the good Lord I didn't meet that down the road. There's a Land Rover sitting up there, or a Land Rover type vehicle sitting up there. Say someone working away. Now we're not too far away from Glenfarg just now. But if you're in this part of the world, highly recommend that you look it out. On either side there's the various major roads. The one on that's up that way is the motorway between Perth and Edinburgh, and the one behind me is the main road between Perth and Glasgow. So you could quite easily miss this. But if you're here to see some views, you won't go wrong with this one. Now I think we're going to go left. Indeed we are. Milnathorpe. Now that's a cracking road up that way as well. 2 miles to Milnathorpe. It's not quite particularly long, but there's roads that you can take that takes you away from Milnathorpe and back over the hills. But we're going down this way. There we are. We're in Glenfarg now. Nice little place. Okay, let's end the video here. This is us in Glenfarg. It's just a little village. There's not a lot to it. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye for now. Bye.